next, haloy, ang ganda ng likod. Side zipper, double lining to ha. Branded by Lion, size 8. Best fit medium mga madam. Ganda. Okay, best fit medium, kakaiba siya. Side zipper, code is kakaiba, size medium po. Kakaiba, 680. Kakaiba for 680 pesos. Okay, next. Hala, black floral na strappies, smacking. Ay, small, medium, adjustable strap. Kaya ito hanggang medium ha, adjustable strap, square neck, zipper back smacking. Code ako square 680. Square 680 pesos. Code is square. Oh, 2XL. Ay, parang pang XL lang to. Side zipper, mga madam. Di ko ma-explain yung tela, but this one is double lining. XL best fit po, ha? XL best fit. Code ako dito ng unique. XL side zipper, code unique 680. Unique 680. Ala, ang ganda rito. Size large. Para siyang maroon, tapos dull cut, ha? Branded by Ali. Size is medium large. Ganda. Okay, best fit large mga madam. Code is maroon. Dalkat yan ha. Code ng maroon, 680 best fit large. Code maroon. Ay, gandara din ito. On the go mga madam. Size is small, branded by Primark. Very, very cotton. Okay, super cotton mga madam ha. Primark, small medium po. Code is, ganda to. Code ako dito ng ganda. 680 ganda. Okay, Kat, nandiyan ka pa ba? I-mind mo tong back and bridge, oh. Madam Yobaw, yung 10 na mine na yun, ma'am ha. Okay, extra small to small, branded by Beck and Bridge. Sinong may gusto? Okay, 680 na lang, oh. Code ako ng Bridge. Bridge, 680 extra small to small. Code is Bridge, mga madam. Code ng Bridge. Okay, next. Another on the go, medium large. Super cotton ng tela. Medium large, para na siyang BD. Okay, medium large, code is green, 680. Cotton na cotton yan. Code ng green, 680. Code green. Okay, next. Ano bang betsong nyo, mga madam? Okay, next one is this one. Size large, mga madam. Size large, gandara, oh. Size large, garter yung dulo ng sleeves, mga madam. Ayan siya. Parang peach yung color, no? Code pastel 680, size large, semi-XL. Pastel 680, bebe. Code is pastel 680. Okay, wala na ba? Ay! Uy, Ali, linin ng tela. Size large to, mga madam. Zipper back. Size large, adjustable strap. Zipper back, linen po ang tela. Branded by Ali, ha? Code linen 680. Linen 680, size large, adjustable strap. Code is linen. Ay, ang ganda rin. Okay, branded by H&M, adjustable strap, linen din to ha. Medium, semi-large ang, ang size. Medium, semi-large, branded by H&M, adjustable strap. Code HM680. HM680, bebe. HM. Uy! Mix mo! Size large. Wala, apakaganda nito, mga madam. Branded by Mix Mo. Size large to, ha. Size large, branded by Mix Mo. Super duper nice nito, mga mi. Branded by Mix Mo. Code ako Promise. Adjustable strap. Size large. Promise 680. Promise 680. Mayan, yours sa HM. Mayan. Miss Mayan. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, Miss Mayan. 1, 2, and 3. Opo. Okay, next. Ali. Size large. Adjustable strap. Side zipper. Branded by Ali. Size large. Side zipper. Adjustable strap double lining. Code ako Blue Floral 680. Blue Floral 680 size 12. Ay! Meron ba 2XL dyan? Waling. Okay, next. Size is small. Teka lang, ha? Ay, diniel Mima. DLHM. Lynn Flores. Me, 123, 123 yours na to. Lynn Flores. Tapos, this one is another pastel yellow, butter yellow, cotton linen to ha. Small semi-mid po. Zipper back. Okay. Code is butter. Branded by Target. Small mid. Code is butter. Zipper back to mga madam. Ganda. Adjustable strap. Code butter 680. Okay, promise, Miss Lina Villena, new minor. Miss Lina Villena, ganda nito, ma'am. Yours na to, 680. Okay, Madam Lina Villena, yes, this is large. Double lock, blue floral, Geraldine Ariola. Geraldine Ariola. Mahal, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to, Geraldine. Yobaw, yours na si Butter, ha? 780. Yobaw, butter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, bebe. 680 lang. Ganda nito. Okay, next one is, wala na tayo masyadong XL dyan. Another H&M, ay Anko pala. Linen to mga madam ha, tapos size large. Okay, brand new by Anko, size 12 on tag mga madam. Soft linen yung tela. Oh, minto yan. Hindi, natagal, di ba? Okay, code is Polka 680. Polka 680, size large, ha? Oo, size 12 yon. Size 12 si Blue Floral, mahal. Size 12. Paired. Ay, namatay. Baka namatay. Napagod siya. Ayan na. DL Promise. Nako, Kay Santa Maria. Kay Santa Maria New Minor. Paras kayo New Minor, no? Miss Kay Santa Maria, yours na to si Promise. Pa-down payment, mama ko, ha. Pa-screenshot po. Miss Kay Santa Maria, pa-screenshot, pa-down payment, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yours na to. Alubi, ang ganda. Very madam. Size large. Madam K, Santa Maria. Okay, this one is size large. Ganda, B. Size large, very madam. Swiwi, Paris. Size large, mga miha. Okay, size large. Super nice. Code is Paris 680. Paris 680, size large. Paris for 680. Uy, ang ganda. Branded by Ganda, extra small to small. Napakaganda ng neckline. And this one is button down. Again, extra small to small. Code ako dito, sayang 680. Sayang 680, extra small to small. Ganda. Sayang 680. Okay, next. Ano pa kaya si Jabilin. Favorite mo to. Size is small, papaps. Zipper back. Ganda ng color. Okay, size small, zipper back. Kasha to sa akin. Size 28, kasha din to. Okay, code ako dito ng kasha. 680 kasha. Size is small.